In this video, I will guide you on how to connect TCL AC to mobile phone. I'm going to show you how to do this with the TCL mobile application, which is the TCL Home App via Wi-Fi. But if your TCL AC does not have Wi-Fi or you're unable to work with the TCL Home application, I'm also going to give you a second solution that would work out for you using a different application. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and control any TCL AC you have using just your mobile phone. For the first method, if your TCL AC supports Wi-Fi connection, if you want to head over to the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then from the search input, you want to just go ahead and search for the TCL Home application. This is the app. You want to select it and make sure you download and install it into your iPhone or Android phone. Once the app is installed, you can go ahead and open it directly from over here, then set up the application. So you just want to follow all of the on-screen instructions, and then you'll be asked to give the app permission. Just make sure you give it any permission it requires, and then also sign into your TCL account as well. If you do not have an account, you can create one by tapping on the create an account option. I already have an account, so I'll select on the sign in with Google over here. Make sure you also select your region as well. So I'll go ahead and select my region, click on continue, and then tap on sign in with Google, click on continue from over here, select my TCL account. Once you're signed in, you want to tap on the add devices option from over here, and then give it any permission it requires as well, then click on allow. And now you want to select on the split AC option, and basically you want to follow all of these on-screen instructions to pair your TCL AC with your phone. At this point, you want to first of all make sure that your TCL AC is actually turned on. Go ahead and get your TCL AC remote control and make sure you actually turn on the AC. Mine, as you can see, is now turned on. And at this point, to put your TCL AC on pairing mode or to enable Wi-Fi so that it can actually connect and pair with the TCL Home application, there are two ways you can go about doing it. If your TCL AC remote control has the echo and display button on the same place, what you just want to do is to tap on this button about 6 times very fast, and you're going to hear 2 beep sound on the AC, and you're going to see a CF logo on the AC. But if that does not work out for you, another thing you can do is to long press on the mode button and the temperature up button for about 4 seconds, and again you're going to hear 2 beep sound on the AC, and you're going to see the CF text on the AC indicating that the AC Wi-Fi is now turned on. In my case, I will go ahead and long press on the mode button and the temperature up button together. Just press and hold both buttons for about 4 seconds, and you're going to hear 2 beep sound on the AC. So I'll just press and hold just like so. I'll give it a couple of seconds and your AC should show the CF text on the screen, meaning that the Wi-Fi is now turned on. But if you do not see the CF text on the board of your AC, then there is a high chance that your TCL AC is not an AC that supports Wi-Fi. In that case, I would recommend you stay towards the end of this video for a second solution. But if yours shows the CF option, what you want to do is to first of all make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is now turned on your phone, and also make sure that your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi that is actually 2.4 gigahertz. And once you're sure of all of that, you want to tap on the next button at the bottom, click on for sure, and automatically the TCL Home app will start to search for available TCL AC that it can actually connect to and pair with your phone. If yours is able to find the name of your TCL AC, just select it, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be taken to the control center on the TCL Home app, where you can now control and use your TCL AC comfortably without any stress. But if yours is unable to find the name of your TCL AC, or you're getting an error that actually looks like this, then what you want to do is to try the second method. Now for this second method, you want to again head over to the Google Play Store. From the Google Play Store, you want to go ahead and search for the Mi Remote application. If you're using an iPhone, you can search for the Remote Master application. It is actually quite similar to the Mi Remote app. Just make sure you download and install this application into your phone. And once you have the app installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. Just click on agree and you're good to go. Now you want to tap on the add remote option at the bottom over here, and then proceed to select on the AC option. Now at this point, you're going to see a couple of brands of AC that you can actually select from. In this case, we are connecting to a TCL AC, so I will select on TCL, and now you have a couple of available configurations on this application that can connect with your TCL AC. What you want to do is to test each and every one of these configurations and see which one works for your TCL AC. At this point, I recommend you turn off your TCL AC, but make sure it is actually connected to the power source. Point your phone to your TCL AC and then continue to tap on the power button to see which one works with your TCL AC. So I'll tap on the power button, and as you can see, this is actually the one that works with my TCL AC. My TCL AC is currently turned on. Since the first one works, I will tap on the yes option, but if yours does not work, you can go ahead and just tap on no. Continue to try all of the 13 configurations we have over here currently and see which one works for your TCL AC. But as this one works for me, I'll just go ahead and tap on yes from over here, and then it also asks me if I can turn off the AC with this configuration. Once I tap on it again, it should automatically turn off the AC just like so. And at this point, I have gotten the configuration that works for me, so I'll tap on yes and then click on the check button at the top over here, just like so. And now you have this nice looking control center, and your TCL AC is now completely connected with your phone. So I can turn on my AC by simply pointing my phone to the TCL AC and then tapping on the power button, and as you can see, it turns on. I can as well do other things. You can see there are different configurations, including the option for you to even change the mode, change the speed, set a timer, or even set your TCL AC to go into sleep mode. And I can also reduce the temperature and increase it from these buttons over here, you can see, and I can also increase it as well. And if this tutorial was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.